everyone. We're on our way to do some off-roading with friends. So this should be pretty awesome. It's out in
Coughlin Parkway.
Is it Collin or Coughlin?
Coughlin
Parkway. Okay.
Parkway.
Up in the mountains. So this should be pretty fun. We're gonna take the drone out and see if we can get some good shots. I have no idea how tough the road's gonna be. I mean, this Jeep can handle a lot, so we'll see.
Don't say that.
Oh,
Don't say that's something that's probably gonna happen.
Oh, okay. I might have jinxed it. We'll be okay. That's fine. Okay. There's our friends.
Oh shit, it's gonna scare me.
Just switch if you have to.
One of them will go that way.
Okay.
The other one will go that way.
Oh shit, this one looks really steep.
I've done it probably a dozen times. It just goes to the top of this hill. So it kind of goes up and then goes right. And then we're there.
Yeah, so it's not that bad.
So
you
it's
should
not really
try it at
very
least
far.
once.
Okay.
So I typically, at least out here, I'm pretty much always in low range.
Okay.
I'll
put on low.
Let's see, is yours the Rubicon?
It's
Sahara.
Sahara.
Okay.
Yeah, Sahara. You know, go nice and slow.
Okay. Okay.
You'll be fine.
Cool. Yeah, you can go first. Give you some space.
How much space do you need normally?
Probably maybe double this would be safe.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Cool. Oh, you know, it doesn't look so bad when he does it. It's not, I don't think it's that bad.
I made it.
Yeah, no, but that's why you have to test your vehicle, because the more you do those kind of tricky maneuvers and obstacles, the better you'll feel about how your car can handle. So, you know, yeah, it's a little scary, but it's a good adventure.
Yeah, heart attack. Don't do that.
Yeah, extremely high blood pressure. Maybe stay away from off-roading.
So far, so good. So here's the ditch that we were talking about, where there's a lot of kind of.
Okay.
Some stuff might get a little hairy, but you can always back up.
Okay.
And it also got another Jeep, so as long as we both don't get stuck, we'll be okay.
Yeah. There you go. Easy. You hit that one spot pretty fast and you popped your front end up pretty high. It kind of freaked me out.
Oh yeah. I just want to get a little gas. Speed out a little bit. I was afraid I couldn't pass it, so.
You'll get over it though, even if you're going slowly. It has enough traction. All right, yeah, let's keep going. Trying to hold this camera steady. Those of you watching, I hope you don't get motion sickness. That's not that bad. Just don't hit the trees. Parts of the trail like this were a little scary just because of how close we were to the edge of the road. You having fun?
Would you ask me?
Even though you're white knuckling it most of the way?
Look at me, I'm having fun. Oh, this car got here.
Dang, I don't know. It's really cold.
I just died.
Because
just-
he went up and something happened and he jumped off the quad and it tumbled almost the whole way downhill and it was sitting right next to the street.
Oh my god.
Oh man.
What we saw, what was it? It was like an abandoned car
Yeah,
down that
remember?
valley down below. Did you guys see that?
I didn't see it.
It looked pretty old,
Yeah,
but
that one. Could be a cheap CJ or something.
like back when they were maybe first building these roads or something, and then just
Or someone just move off-roading, just something bad happened.
yeah, or they just wanted to
Insurance.
get insurance.
We're gonna go up here and then it'll turn around and then we'll end up there. And so
we'll
you'll
take
see the
break
top
over
of
there.
this
Okay.
and you can see it way down. You're like, ooh, that looks even steeper looking down.
I know, yeah. So
Yeah.
we'll take exactly the same route going back or what?
We are going to take the same route going back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean,
One time we tried to make a big circle,
Uh-huh.
thinking we've got to be more than halfway. It'll be
Yeah.
easier just to end up in Boomtown. That was
No.
not a good idea. That was our dumbest idea. Like we got to
Yeah,
figure out
that's kinda
how to
scary.
like
It
do
was,
that.
it was just an adventure.
It
It was-
wasn't. It got real dark and we didn't have snacks.
Oh, okay.
We
I mean,
didn't
that's
know
a,
we were
it's a scary
going.
adventure. Yeah, never mind. Yeah.
yeah. Oh, seem to walk.
A little farther up ahead. Ooh, good job.
Give him a little more space. So for those of you that don't know, I call this the middle. It's pretty. Cool. Pretty out here. Yeah, that lake. Yeah, not much of a lake left if there ever was one. We were getting hungry and it was time to head back. Thanks for watching, everyone. Let us know in the comments about your off-roading adventures.